Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and apply a chat filter on character AI. For example, if you'd like to have the artificial intelligence not use specific words and you'd like to filter these words. So let me show you how you can apply such a word filter here. So navigate to character AI, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to settings. Here in your settings, what you want to do is navigate to muted words. So that's how they call it here in these settings, that word filter. And here under new word, click into that field. And as you can see, guys, according to this description here, these words then will not be used in your conversations by the artificial intelligence or by you. They will be muted or blocked. So what you want to do is enter the word here. I will go with, I don't know, for example, anime. Just for demonstration purposes, click into add and you will see the filter here. Now if you'd like to remove it, click into that X button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.